Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 5, that is quadratic equation. Now, in this quadratic equation, we will deal with the first exercise, that is find which of the following equations are quadratic. Quadratic means power 2. Now listen, students, we have to just solve it. If the greatest power in the answer is 2, that means with highest power 2, it will be quadratic. If the highest power is 3 or more than 3 or less than 2, that means 1, that will be not a quadratic equation. Now, solution set. What is the meaning of solution set? The given equation in this exercise, see, in second exercise, we have to without solving, that means we have to command the nature of the roots. The roots are, which type of the roots are there. Now see, students, if there are nature of roots, that means if the discriminant is equals to 0, greater than 0 or less than 0, roots are equal. If D becomes 0, roots are real. That means if discriminant is greater than or 0, that means positive. If discriminant less than 0, that means a negative value. Answer is negative. Then we will say imaginary roots. See, students, what is the meaning of this D? Discriminant. Discriminant, the formula of discriminant is B square minus 4AC. This formula only deals with the quadratic equation. If means if the given equation have the power 2, like this one. This is our general equation. Ax square plus bx plus c. Now, coefficient of x square equals to a. Coefficient of x will be b. And the constant term is c. Now we have to, this equation is given. X square coefficient is nothing. That means a will be 1. B will be 2 under root 3. And c will be minus 9. That means this minus will be also there. Now, in the formula, b square, that means 2 under root 3 square. Then minus 4. A value is 1. And b value is minus 9. C value, this one. Then we have to solve it and the answer become 48, that is positive. If it is positive, then the roots are real. And if we have to set the given value is solution set or not, value of x is given 5 and I will put the value of this x in the value of x at the place of x and the answer becomes 0. If the answer becomes 0, it means given equation is the set of solution. If the remainder, that means this answer is not 0, that means it is not a solution of this equation. So please try to do it. Okay, thank you. I am going to explain the next concept of chapter number 5, quadratic equation. Now in the exercise 5c, see, there is the given using factorization method. Factorization method, that means middle term split, that we already done in 9th class. But I am again to remind you, I am going to solving one sum from this exercise. See, in this exercise, the given equation is this one. We have to solve it to make it quadratic. I will make the cross multiply, then make it the quadratic equation. Now it is the quadratic equation and I have to split the middle term. First term and last term we have to multiply. 4 ones are 4. Then I have to need a 3 in the middle term. That means 4 sign minus of there. We take 4 as negative, big number with sign of this one, and this one will be there. Now split, take the common one and I have to take it. Now in next concept, there is given in sum number 21, find the quadratic equation. Answer is given and I have to make a quadratic equation. Roots are given. Then first I will find the sum of these one, then product of these one. Then the formula is x square minus sx plus p. S means sums, value of sum is 8 and p means product. The p value is 15. It makes a quadratic equation. In next concept, there is given the a plus 7 is 0, b plus 10 is 0 and I have to make it quadratic equation. Now I will keep the value of a from there and put in it. Now see this sum. The value of a is minus 7, value of b is minus 10. Now value of I have to put 7 and value of b I have to put the 10. Then again I have to split the middle term. This 10. 12 multiply 10 become 120 and the other factor are 15 multiply 8 and I make the middle term split. Then again the factors of this and find value of x. In next concept, there is given substitution method. This one, the value of y is given 2x plus 3. At the place of 2x plus 3, I have to put the value of y and it become 4 with y square minus y like this one. Now again what to do? We have to split the middle term. 4 multiply 14. It become 56. Other factors are 8 multiply 7. That is also 56. Now middle term split, because negative sign we need, minus 8 will be there. Then again take the common and find the value of x. You can do it. Please try to do it. Okay, thank you.